More often heard than seen, there's a furtive resident of San Francisco Bay wetlands whose imminent extinction was predicted in 1931 and again in 1954. Reeds, cordgrass, and pickleweed are its refuge. With tidal sloughs as feeding grounds, it shares with maybe more distinctive species like the long-billed curlew. Curlews are impressively adapted to reach deeply buried invertebrate prey. Once called the California clapper rail, the threatened Ridgway's rail even has a Latin name that suggests impermanence, Rallus obsoletus. The white rump patch of the upturned tail is a marker for Ridgways. And they share with related species large feet adapted to walking tidal mud. An indicator species, the Ridgway's rail depends on protection of its rich but narrowed habitat that supports so much life.